In this video, we are going to discuss about data cleaning module in Odoo 14. So it is a very new feature that is to make sure that we don't have any duplicate data in our database. So using this module, we can clean those duplicate redundant data and make sure that data are unique. So we can create some rules inside this module, and according to that rules, that is within a rule there will be some conditions and filters and all. So according to that, this rule will be applied and redundant data will be removed. So let us see how we can do this. So first of all, install data cleaning module from the App Store, and then you can see some menus. Here under configuration, we can see under rules deduplication. So we can create some deduplication rules. These are some rules that has already been created already there. So I have created a new deduplication rule, that is contact duplication. Already there is one contact, but we are creating some different deduplication rules. So inside my form, there are different rules. So let us see what all fields are within this form. First of all, name of the deduplication rule. Then you can here you can give name you need. Then model, to which model this rule need to be applied. So whatever model you give here, it will be applicable on the particular model. Then domain, you can set some conditions. So and filtration will be done. So those data to those data only this rule will be applied. So here the match all records. So there are 43 records, and that is contacts. Then cross company. If you check this one, then it will be applied to all companies. Then duplicate removal. So when we found a duplicate, when we found duplicate records, whether it need to be archived or deleted. So let us take the first option. Then merge mode, whether the merging, that is whenever there are duplicate records, when that need to be merged manually or automatically. So let us take the first option, choose the first option, that is manually. It is better. Then next one is notify users. So you can add the users who need to be notified about this merging, this duplication. So whenever this process is done, to all this need to be notified. Then notification need to be can be given in weekly, like monthly or daily. So let it be every week. Then suggest. You can suggest a threshold. Then you can set this rule active or not. Then the last field. This is a very important part, what deduplication rule. This part, in this field, we are exactly applying the rule. Here I have only just added one field, that is the name. So whenever that field duplicates, this will be applied. Okay. And merge if exact match. There is let us have a look what happens. Okay, now I have only added one rule, then I am just saving it. Then let us go to contacts and create two contacts having same name. Okay, I'm copying this name. So I have created two contacts with same name. Then I'm going to this module, coming back to this module, and when we go to configuration, deduplication, let us open this and let us click this button, deduplicate. This will be redirected to a page where we can see the rules are here and then created on. Then you can see the similarity percentage. So this is 100% similar, and you can see the two records that are similar. Then here, from here itself, we can merge it. As we have given the merging as manually, from here you can manually merge it, or we can discard, no issue. Duplication, with the duplication there is no issue. So we can discard it from here itself. So let us merge. Let's see what happens when we merge these records. Then coming back to contacts, you can see that two records are merged to a single record. So this is how uh, this data cleaning module works. You can see the field cleaning rules. We can create a new field cleaning rule. Then we can move on to field cleaning. Here you can clean, like we can define some field cleaning rules. So let us create a new one. Okay, before creating this field, let us go back to contacts. And we can set the model, let be contact itself. Then cleaning mode manually, notify users, same thing. Then fields. So field to clean, which field we need to clean. We can set a name, then action. So trim spaces. In what way? What action need to be done? Okay, we can just select the trim spaces. Uh, Trim all spaces or superfluous spaces. So let it be all spaces. Then we can save and close it. Save it. Now let us this clean. Here you can see, okay, some of the records that is suggested in order to clean the uh, name field, as we have given the name in order that need to be cleaned. So those records will be shown here. Here you can validate them or you can discard them. Now I'm not validating it. I'm just okay. Let us see this case. What happens when we validate? Okay, we validated it. Then if we come back, you can see we have chosen the option to trim the spaces, trim all spaces. So there, those spaces are trimmed together, and the letters have come together. So this is how this field cleaning works.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.